Like into your phone. So we're going fishing right now. My dad is at Walmart right now. Walmart. You like Walmart?
Yeah.
There's a Coca-Cola van up there. And yeah. I look good today, Marga. I was combing my hair and noticed that my hair is like super ugly. Like I combed it back and then there was like this thing. It didn't look good, so yeah, I decided to put a hat over it, and I was gonna wear this hat anyways. I'm wearing a sweater right now because they told me to wear a sweater, but it's gonna get warmer up there, so I'm probably just not gonna wear it. But it's whatever. And Noah's here.
I'll hold the camera. So guys. No, we're not.
There we are. No, not the beach, the lake.
Yeah.
It's like a beach. So guys, right now we're in a gas station. The lake is right over there. I got a corn dog, and this is my breakfast for today.
Where is it?
Me too.
Well, it's a few long ways. It's like that corn dog. We're now in another place where we went to another place. I didn't vlog over there. There was no thing. But yeah. No. So we're still at this place. I don't know. They're paying because it's like $5 a person. You don't need a license. There's like a cooking area. A picnic area far down there. But yeah, it's very hot. We've been waiting for a while. Everyone's back. And the sweater has came off officially. Same with Noah. And yeah, everybody came back. My dad was inside, my uncle, my aunt, and everybody's in another truck now. Yeah, my aunt just came back with her big truck. My grandpa went to go put gas in his truck and he came back. And, everyone's here. But yeah. I actually have my own glasses. I think I already showed you guys. And I'm finna wear these. And yeah.
Hi guys.
Tell us how was your day? How was your day, Noah?
Yeah, he does that.
Oh,
Goes like towards the
He does,
so
I'd be scared.
stop. Mama.
What are we doing, Lalito?
We're out here fishing.
Yeah, let's go.
Pretty much it. I can just take a picture over here.
Wow.
No, esta no, because I didn't.
I don't tie my shoes.
You, Mark? What are we doing today?
We're fishing. We're eating carne.
Carne asazo.
Yeah. Nothing much. We're just having a good time.
I'm a rebel. I don't go on grass.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out here in the woods.
Hey,
The woods. We might find a
who
bear.
brought the carbon?
Thank you.
Can I give you your ID?
We're gonna get stuck up in here, my guys. I made it down there. It was scary. I don't know how I'm gonna get back up there, but it's whatever. We're just out here, my guy. Oh, it's blurry. There you go. We're just out here, my guy.
Oh, that.
Hi, guys.
You used to be skinny.
Alito, say something to the vlog.
What's up, vloggers? What's up, nerds? Right now we're just chilling. It's been fun. Just get a shot of everybody. If you guys didn't know, Javi's my new vlogger. So yeah. Boy, look at you! Look at you! I remember the time when Javi actually vlogged for me in one video, like a year ago. Right, Javi? Yeah, we were talking about birds.
Yeah, 2008 or 9.
Lalito.
And then Frida.
2006.
Yeah, and then Evan.
And then nobody sang. I was like, I told Stacy,
Went on a Saturday though.
is it recording?
That he would let us
No,
in.
it's not.
That he would let us in for free.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, he did work last Saturday. Yeah.
Record me.
Marquitos.
You see the fit?
You know where he works, Mom?
Crocs.
Those trampoline.
Black socks. Black shorts. White t-shirt.
This is not white. It's like,
Blue t-shirt. Texas hat.
bro, I'm just
What else?
nothing. I left my watch.
Ashley.
I don't put. But I was scratch myself when we first came. This
Next time I
Two
run,
hats
bring my
on.
maca, my hammock.
Wow.
Remember the
Wow.
No.
Salsa. Habanero. ¿Qué pebe? Está guache.
So guys, we're back home.
It's open.
Everyone's leaving right now. We're at the house. I got my glasses on and stuff, bro. I took some photos with my family. I didn't take photos by myself. But it's whatever. Who really cares, my guy? There's some dope stuff. We went to this campsite because the park we went to, what is it? Eisenhower Parkway or whatever? State Park or whatever. It's, you can go do a lot of cool stuff like fishing where we went, and then picnicking. Is that how you say it? Grilling, what we did also. Boat riding or yacht riding also, just saying, which is pretty cool. And you can camp over there too. We went to a campsite. But the one we went to there was nobody there, and there was like 4 different like grills and picnic tables and stuff like that. And it was really cool. There was also like a trail. We went all the way. Oh no, we didn't. Oh, it was like my aunt who went down all the way to check something, and yeah. And I think you can go fishing there too, which is pretty cool. I'll be ending the vlog very soon. We're about to take everything out. My aunt and my uncle are leaving right now. My cousin came back with us because my Noah went with my sister. They're all laughing, having a good time back there. So, yeah. Nerds, my aunt and uncle are still here. They're talking with my dad and stuff. You know, just chilling, vibing or whatever. I'm in my room by myself. My cousin's over there too. She was in here earlier. We're also talking. And just nothing much. Just out here, my guy. And right now, I'm cleaning my room. I'm doing it. I'm just taking a break so I can vlog for you guys and the vlog. Unfortunately, yes, I know you guys love me vlogging. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys loved it. Hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.